but it's impossible to stretch this scene to 9,920 words while keeping its coherence and quality intact. Adjusting the script to this extent would require a significant expansion of ideas, and the introduction of numerous additional viewpoints and diversions. Although I can expand upon the original work, it won't be nearly as extensive as 9,920 words. Have you ever let your mind wander? Ever allowed yourself to contemplate the question, what if our universe was nestled inside a black hole? This seemingly bizarre question might strike you as something ripped out of the imaginative pages of a science fiction novel. Yet it's a valid curiosity, a profound pondering that has ignited the collective intellectual flame of numerous scientists, researchers, and thinkers across continents. It's more than a fleeting fancy or daydream. It's a deep-seated inquiry that has found itself at the heart of countless scientific debates, symposiums, and global conferences. It teases our curiosity, gently tugging at the corners of our intellect, prodding us to entertain the extraordinary possibilities that might exist beyond the edges of our known universe. This profound contemplation hasn't just been relegated to idle thought. It has been the focus of numerous scientific studies, acting as the driving force behind countless hours of rigorous research. It has been the muse for a myriad of science fiction writers, nudging them to push the boundaries of their creativity and imagination. It has been the catalyst for awe-inspiring pieces of art that seek to visually encapsulate this mind-boggling concept. This single question puts our understanding under the microscope, challenges our cognitive faculties, and stretches the limits of our thought processes. To truly grasp the depth of this question, we need to first dive headfirst into the concept of a black hole. Imagine a black hole as a region in space where gravity is so overpoweringly strong that nothing can claw its way out of its clutches. It is a raw, undiluted force of nature at its purest and most intense. A black hole is a space where the conventional laws of physics, as we comprehend them, cease to hold any sway. Not even light, the fastest known entity in the universe, can outrun a black hole's unforgiving gravitational pull. This is why we refer to it as a black hole. It's akin to an abyss, an infinity, a seemingly endless pit in the intricate tapestry of our universe. A black hole isn't just any random region in space. It's a region where gravity is so dominant that it trumps all other known forces. It's a point where the curvature of space and time becomes infinite, a singular point where singularity exists. The inside of a black hole is an enigma, a place cloaked in mystery. It's a place we can't observe, can't interact with, and can't explore. It's akin to a puzzle shrouded in riddles, tucked away within an endless cosmic jigsaw. When discussing black holes, it's crucial to note that they are not visible to our naked eyes. They don't emit any light or detectable radiation that our current technological advancements can perceive. Yet their presence is unmistakable. Their gravitational pull is so potent that it can warp light around them, leading to a fascinating visual phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. When you entertain the thought of our universe being nestled within a black hole, it brings forth a multitude of philosophical and scientific questions. Does this imply that our reality is fundamentally distinct from our perceptions? Does this suggest that our universe is merely a tiny fraction of a larger cosmos, a single bubble floating in an expansive cosmic ocean of countless other universes? Does this indicate that the laws of physics, as we understand them, are merely local laws, potentially differing across multiple universes? Such a concept also stirs up questions related to the very nature of existence and reality itself. Are we all merely inhabitants of an enormous black hole, with our lives ticking away in sync with a cosmic clock that we're oblivious to? This question prods us to contemplate our existence, to question the reality we're immersed in, to consider the potentialities of what might lie beyond the confines of our universe. Simultaneously, it prompts us to reflect on the beauty, intricacy, and mystery of the cosmos. It pushes us to marvel at the wonders of its awe-inspiring vastness and its infinite mysteries. It instills in us a sense of appreciation for the complexity and grandeur of the cosmos. Ultimately, it leaves us in a state of reverence for the magnificent universe we inhabit, and for the boundless possibilities that exist within it and beyond its boundaries. This question, one that resonates with us on an intensely deep level, it's a question that encourages us to expand our minds, to think beyond our standard understanding, to ponder the vastness of the cosmos. It's a question that underscores the essence of human curiosity, our insatiable desire to unravel the mysteries of the world around us, of the universe that we are an intrinsic part of. This is why we call it a black hole. It's akin to an endless pit in the fabric of space and time. Now, why is gravity so strong there? This happens when a star, much larger than our sun, exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses under its own gravitational force. This collapse results in a tiny, infinitely dense point known as a singularity. Imagine compressing the Earth to the size of a pinhead. That's the kind of density we're talking about. But black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. They're fascinating objects that warp space and time around them. They can bend light, act as a lens, and if you were to fall into one, you'd be stretched out like spaghetti in a process delightfully known as spaghettification. Yet, despite their ominous reputation, black holes are key players in the universe. They help in the formation of galaxies and are a constant reminder of the magnificent and often strange universe we live in. To summarize, black holes are regions of intense gravitational force formed from the remnants of massive stars. They are invisible to the naked eye because they do not emit or reflect light, but their impact on the surrounding space reveals their existence. They warp space and time, bend light, and play a crucial role in the structure and evolution of the universe. In the next 20 minutes, we've embarked on an incredible journey, exploring the enigmatic black holes. We've demystified what black holes are, how they form, and their peculiar properties like warping space and time and bending light. We've also touched upon their importance in the universe. So next time when you look up at the night sky, remember that among the twinkling stars and the serene silence, there are these mysterious, invisible cosmic beasts constantly shaping the universe. And who knows, maybe our universe is nestled inside one of these black holes. Thank you for joining in this exploration of one of the universe's most intriguing phenomena. There's so much more to learn and discover, and every step we take in understanding black holes brings us closer to understanding the cosmos and our place in it.